Think about this. Videos are great, but imagine if they could truly make you feel. That's the power of audio. It takes your videos from an okay video to a wow video. I care about this. No more audio excuses. We have all watched videos where the sound just ruins it. But guess what? There are simple ways to fix that. Let's make your videos shine with top-notch audio. Without lighting, composition, and storytelling techniques, your video won't reach its full potential. Right now, you're asking, how do we go from this shot to this shot to this shot? Let's explore some ways to create smooth flow between shots and captivate your audience. Your phone is the perfect tool for the first lesson, where you will learn how to use your smartphone to make outstanding videos, because this is the best and quickest way to really understand how much the angle and the dynamics of lighting is affecting the aesthetics of your video. So the wider the angle, the less depth of field, and everything is in focus. On the other hand, the higher the focal length, the narrower the field of view, and the shallower the depth of field. Good lighting can completely transform your videos from this to this. Learn how to play with different light sources, such as natural light from a window or a lamp, and see how they affect the mood and feel of your video. This course is packed with hands-on exercises and in-depth case studies for a beginner and an intermediate video creator. How to storyboard, light your scene, set up your shoot, and overall film a fully produced looking and sounding video for Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or all other social media platforms. Other tweeters who are all full-time filmmakers will share the secrets they have learned from years of being full-time filmmakers. This course is all about seeing a dramatic transformation in your videos. Walk away with the knowledge and techniques to use your camera, your surroundings, and your creativity to create images and videos that you're proud to share with the world. So if you're ready to take your video skills to the next level, check out the detailed course description or click on the link to join and start creating stunning videos you will be proud to share.